Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's our question is the solid 50 diameter shaft is used to transmit the torque applied to the gears. Determine the absolute maximum shear stress in the shaft. Here you see the diagram. Let's go to our question. I make a rough diagram here. First of all, you need to identify the formula. There are three formulas which I write here. If you identify the formula, your 80 to 90% question is already solved. Okay. In this question, he asked to find the maximum shear stress, which is tau. T shows the internal torque, J shows the polar moment, ρ shows the radial distance, tau shows the maximum shear stress, and phi shows the angle of twist. Okay, in this question, the author give us the diameter, so we find the J, and also when we dia divided by 2, it get the radius or radial distance, which is rho. So we see that we find to tau, J is also find, rho is also given. So we find the T, which is internal torque, by find by internal torque diagram. Okay, here you see the diagram. There are two methods to get. One method is the sectioning to get, but my teacher uses other method like this. If you put the pen here, then you could put it in front. If your right hand curl, if the thumb is in your direction, it is positive, and the thumb is inward direction or to the diagram direction, it is negative. But in simple assumption, we called clockwise is positive and clockwise is negative and anti-clockwise is positive. So here I make the internal torque diagram. You make scaling according to your requirements. I make like this: upward is positive and downward is negative. This is A point, this is B point, this is C point, this is D point. Okay, so we see at the D point it is clockwise, so we take it negative according to rules. Okay, like this. It is constant between 2 points. Okay, this is 150 Newton meter. Okay, like this, it is 150 Newton meter. So we see the next, it is anti-clockwise, we take it positive. So minus 150 plus minus 150 plus 325 is equal 175. So we take it positive axis. This is positive 175. So it is also constant between 2 points. This is 175 Newton meters. Okay, at next point B, it is also anti-clockwise, so we take it positive. So 175 plus 75 is 250, which is like this. Okay, so it is also constant between 2 points, but we see that A point is 250 Newton meter but in clockwise direction, so we take it negative according to rules. According to this, plus 250 minus 250 is 0, so it come on 0. Okay, this is our internal torque diagram. So we also do this like this to see that our torque diagram. You see that the maximum shear stress we get is 250 Newton meter, which is between A and B. So according to formula we choose this because it is not asked in question to find angle of twist, or the given is angle of twist. So we use this formula to find tau max. So here we write the formula: tau max is equal, the maximum torque is between A B point. Okay, and the radius C, and J. When it is, but you ask me, there is a row like this. If the distance this to this, we called it C. If distance from here to here, we called raw. If the distance is maximum or radius is given, then we called is C. Otherwise we write is raw. Raw is the radial distance or C is the maximum distance from center. But why we use C here? Because it asks the maximum shear stress, so that's why here we use C. So according to formula 250 वैल्यू हमने पुट की and the radius is 0.025 and the value of J is this, which we find by dia formula or radius formula. It is your choice. So here we write the value of polar moment, which is 3.06 multiplied by 10 की power 7. After this calculations we get the answer, which is 10.18 multiplied by 10 की power 6, which is equal to 10.2 megapascal. Here we get the answer. This is the main thing, the torque diagram. Please see it carefully. I will tell you again. Okay, first of all, we see this is clockwise. According to our assumption or authors, it is the clockwise is negative, so we take it down 150. You make your scaling according to your choice, but in my case I do like this. Okay, 150 downward. Then I tell you the anti-clockwise is positive, so minus 150 plus 325 is 175 is positive, so we take it from positive axis. Always remember, the internal torque is constant between 2 points. Here you see it is constant 150 Newton meter between C and D. It is also constant between 2 points B and C. Now at B point it is anti-clockwise, so it is also positive. So 175 plus 75 is 250 Newton meter. So it is also constant between 2 points. Now at point A it is given 250 Newton meter clockwise, so it is negative. So 2 plus 250 Newton meter minus 250 Newton meter is equal to 0. So here you see I will match it to 0. Here in this diagram you find the maximum shear stress. Okay, if in downward it is like 275, so we take 275 as the maximum shear stress. But in this question, at that point or between A and B point, it is maximum shear stress or internal torque. So here we put internal torque between A and B. By putting these value we find the answer. I hope you understand the question.